Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm when I wake up. Stretch. I stretch my arms and legs after waking up. Get up. Then I get up from my bed. Put on. I put on my slippers. Take out the garbage. I take out the garbage every evening. Water the plants. I water the plants in the garden regularly. Feed the dog. I feed the dog in the morning and evening. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth before breakfast. Wash face. I wash my face with cold water. Clip nails. I clip my nails regularly. Do the laundry. I do the laundry on Sundays. Do the dishes. I do the dishes in the morning. Take a shower. I take a shower before heading to work. Get dressed. I get dressed nicely before going out. Have breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast to start my day. Sip. I sip my coffee to feel refreshed. Comb hair. I comb my hair before leaving my home. Drive. I drive to work during weekdays. Commute. I commute by bus when I don't drive. Take a taxi. Sometimes I take a taxi to work. Work. I work at the office from 9 to 5. Type. I type reports on my computer. Meet. I meet different people at my workplace. Take a break. I take short breaks to relax during the day. Take a nap. I take a nap in the afternoon sometimes. Surf the internet. I surf the internet in my free time. Discuss. I discuss project ideas with my team. Exercise. I exercise at the gym after work. Relax. I relax with a book before bed. Go to bed. I go to bed around 11 p.m. every night. Read. I read the news every morning. Listen. I listen to music while working. Make the bed. I make the bed every morning. Fall asleep. I fall asleep shortly after reading. Clean. I clean the house on weekends. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Shop for groceries. I shop for groceries every Sunday. pay bills. I pay bills online every month. Call. I call my parents every Sunday. Walk. I walk my dog in the evening. Meditate. I meditate to relax my mind. Grab a bite. Let's grab a bite, eat something, after work. Review. I review my work before submitting it. Invite. I invite friends over for dinner parties. Hang out. I hang out with friends on weekends. Travel. I travel to new destinations every year. Learn. I learn new skills through online courses. And that's it. Now you know 50 essential daily routine words in English. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Like this video, share it with a friend who's learning English too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.